Hey everyone, Jill Gu here, and today I want to talk about the energy of your home. So ask yourself, what does my home feel like? What energy does it have? So everything is energy, and energy can imprint, and we can leave energy in spaces and in places. And so it's important to kind of check in once in a while, like, what is the energy flow of my house right now? Things can change and shift. And so here are a couple of little helpful nuggets that maybe you can utilize to shift the energy in your environment. So first of all, just feel the energy. And maybe you know, wow, my family, we've been sick on and off for the past few months, or, there's just been stress, or, whatever. Know that energy can kind of get stagnant and stay in the house and just kind of hang out. So check in. What does the energy of your house feel like? Maybe it feels happy and joyful. Great. Maybe it feels a little stuck energy, or maybe there's just some weird vibes happening. Check in with that. And here are some things you can do. Get some sage. You can sage your house and do a house blessing, and with the intention of releasing and kind of clearing energy in your space. I always find that things that can be helpful are like decluttering. If you find a place that's just got papers and clothes and shoes and books and it's just cluttered, clean that up, because that energetically is stuck energy. And I love to do this too. It's like rearranging furniture, or maybe like you can see these pictures and little things behind me. Sometimes I just rearrange decor around my house, and that can really change the energy and bring in some fresh new energy. Buying some flowers, just even bringing in some fresh flowers with the intention of bringing in some fresh color and beauty, and what the flowers can bring into your house, which is hopefully joy and delight. And if you really want to go big or go home, you could hire me to space clear and or douse your home and really do an energetic reset of your house. Because like I said, everything is energy, and energy is within our house, and it can affect us, the way we sleep, the way we feel, how we work, our families, our children. And so check in with the energy of your home, say hello to it, start to create a relationship and understand that your home holds energy, and you have lots of different ways that you can work with this. So I hope this video was helpful for you. And reach out if you are interested in space clearing or doing a full dowsing, which includes space clearing. I can work distantly. And so go to my website. I have a dowsing page there. So jillgu.com/dowsing if you're interested in that. Reach out and connect with me, and I can answer more questions and help you out if you want to do that. If not, just give your house a beautiful blessing and make some little tweaks and changes, and it can really help to change the energy. So bye for now.